No makeup, but no
Okay,
makeup.
tell them that Mama is beautiful now.
You're not beautiful now. Mama, you're not ready.
I'm not ready, okay.
Hi, guys.
Not yet. Okay. Switch off the... I think we should switch off the TV.
Hi, guys. This is mommy.
And this all makeup will be on your side, okay? Because you're the one who's gonna make Mama's makeup. So first, so we say hi guys first. Hi guys!
guys.
Good afternoon. In today's
Good
video,
afternoon.
si Francine, she will do Mama's makeup. Mag-makeup daw siya sa akin guys. And let's start. What you have first? So first, wait, I show them first. What do we have here? Meron kami ditong show. Tell them what do you have?
I have makeup.
What is that?
Our one.
A lip balm. I have a mascara for the eyes. I have the brush. I have a lip liner. I have a sponge for the face. What's that?
Makeup.
A lipstick. Face powder. Saan eh? Concealer. Lipstick. For my eyebrow. And for my cheek. And we have a hairbrush here. Okay, I take that one. So guys, Francine will do my makeup today. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, come on. So, first, uy, tapos kung tagapangandam.
This is the makeup.
Yeah. Where do you put that?
Yeah.
Okay. It's not for the eyebrow, it's for the face.
Oh, fine.
Okay.
I did a makeup.
Okay.
Katuwaan lang to guys kasi born si Francine. Okay. And then, that's enough. Then you brush my face.
Mama, you're not me.
I should look at you, okay. That's enough, then you do this. So today, napag-desisyon na namin Francine na mag... Okay. Now, next. Oo.
This is for Mama.
Okay.
And you have a brush there. Oh. Jig. The other one. It's the other one.
Uh-oh.
That's enough.
Okay, it's too much, yeah.
Mama!
We'll put a tissue.
Mama!
Okay. No, it's enough.
Mama, not enough.
It's enough.
No.
It's no. It's too red now. Mama, you want Mama ugly? It's always only on that side here.
Uh-oh.
Oh. It's too much now. Okay, I put that out. Next. You go on next. What do you want to put on Mama?
What Mama?
Not so kuan. Only short, patay itong mga makeup ani. Okay. Not so.
What should I do? Do I do like that?
No.
No? What should I do?
Again.
Again. This is, what is this?
What Mama?
Lip balm. Next.
No.
Close it yet. Close. What's next here? Patay.
No more? Uh-oh. Wow.
Wow. I'm beautiful, Francine said. Next.
These are waiters.
It's a lipstick for the lips. That's for the lips, ha? Not for the eyes.
Okay. Should I do like that?
No.
No? Should I do like that?
No.
What should I do? Okay. Oh guys, oh my god. Should I do like that?
Yeah.
Yeah? Mama is beautiful.
Mama, you have beef.
Is that yet beautiful? That is done. You don't need to put that now. So next.
Okay. Jig, jig, jig. So Francene is brushing my face.
Okay. What's this?
Video.
A what?
Makeup.
A makeup. All are makeup. Okay. Slowly.
Yeah, Mama. I make for Mama the side. Show the one.
Okay.
Papa.
You show it to Papa.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Mama beautiful now, guys. Is Mama beautiful now? Not too much. That should be in the eyes.
This is not that.
This is not the eyes. Okay. That's enough. That's enough. Good biskut akong pangkilay. It's too much. It's too much now. And that's for the eyebrow.
The other one, other side. Is it finished? Do I look beautiful now?
No.
Not yet.
That's first.
That is for the eyelashes.
This is other.
Yeah.
Eyelashes, not for eyebrow.
Na?
And other.
Oh God. That's enough. Lalu. Oh. Oh yes. That's enough. That's enough. And next. And next. Lock. Put a lock on it. Next.
That's the apple.
For the lips.
For the
Here. So is it finished now?
Mama.
Oh. Is it finished?
Yeah.
Do I look beautiful?
Mama, yeah, more.
Do I look beautiful?
More.
More? Not more, because otherwise Mama is gonna be ugly.
Mama, I need more.
You need more, I need more. Patay. Show me.
More.
Okay. Am I beautiful now, guys?
You're not beautiful now.
Anay. Oh. It's for the eyes. Here.
Not the eyes. There.
It's a highlighter. Okay. Not in your face.
Oh.
Mama's face only.
You.
Okay.
The other side. Other side too. Hilig man diri ra may iyang kuanan. Okay. Okay.
What you gonna say to them?
You need more.
I need more. Okay.
It's makeup for this.
Okay.
Papa is on the walk.
Papa is in the work. Okay.
Yeah.
Where's your sister?
Sister playing also.
Playing also. So where is your brother?
But it's playing also.
Playing also. Do you want Mama to be beautiful?
Uh-oh.
Do you want Mama
To be beautiful? Do you want Mama to be beautiful?
Yeah.
Why?
It can whoop.
Am I beautiful now? I'm not. Am I beautiful now, guys?
Mama, it's done.
It's done?
Yeah.
Okay, I show them to my face. Tell them.
Mama, you're not done.
You're not. I'm not done. I'm not.
Done, guys. Okay. So tell them that your mom is beautiful now.
I'm not beautiful? Okay. So what's that?
It's a white feather friend.
It's not for the eyes. It's for the lips.
Should I do like that?
Yeah.
No? Are you ready?
No.
Are you... Is Papa gonna like me now?
No.
No. It's enough. Is Papa gonna like me now? You have to call Papa to see me. No, Papa, Mom, I make Mama beautiful.
Papa.
I make Mama beautiful.
Papa.
Get Papa. Papa, you wanna see Mama beautiful? They told them wait. Maganda na ba ako? Tudut. Should I close my eyes? Should Papa should close his eyes before he sees me.
Mama. Oh, put this. Mama.
Uy! Oh, Manana, look, Francis. It's enough now.
That is because Francis doesn't recognize you. He thinks it's our doll here or something like that.
Is it okay now? I think I'm beautiful now.
No, you're not big.
I think I'm beautiful now. It's enough.
No.
Okay. I'm beautiful now, I think. It's done. Look at them how you look. Okay, we say goodbye now to the vlog.
No.
We say goodbye now because I think I'm beautiful now. Mama's babe? Oh, I'm beautiful now. Look on Francine. That's not anymore. That's too much oil. Mama is so beautiful now. Is Mama beautiful?
Take a pic.
No, not the one in my face.
That's for the eyelashes.
Yeah, that's for the eyelashes. Am I beautiful?
You're not done.
I'm done.
Mama, not done.
I'm done.
Mom!
I'm done.
Mama, you're not done.
I'm done now.
You're not done.
It's not done? I think it's finished, B. Hindi na siya tigil, guys. So that's it for a video.
Mama,
Yeah.
what to make up?
You want to make up? But we're gonna get you a makeup for a baby, okay?
Mama,
Mm-hmm.
no makeup, no makeup.
Brother.
No makeup, Bada. No
Okay.
makeup.
Tell them that Mama is beautiful now.
You're not beautiful now.
You said you do makeup for me, so I got beautiful.
You're not beautiful.
I'm not beautiful. So how can I be beautiful now? That's enough, I think. Oh my God, that's enough. That's enough. Okay, Mama is beautiful now.
Mama, you're not ready.
I'm not ready. Okay.
I'm not down much. This is the one for
Okay.
Mama, what makeup? No makeup, Bada. Oh.
Okay, that's enough.
Mama.
It's enough.
Mama, you're not ready.
I'm not ready. I think it's enough.
You're not now.
I think it's enough.
You're not now.
You're not now. Okay, thank you guys. Okay. Okay now, I'm beautiful now. Am I?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. Brother is here. Na-shock ang tao ng manghod. Wa kaila sa inahan. Okay. Okay, we clean up now. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Oh.
Bye-bye. Ayun niya tumigil. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, brother.
You're not ready.
Bye-bye. Tell them your mom is beautiful now.
You're not beautiful, ready.
I'm not ready.
Mama, I want the makeup. That one, that one. No, no. No makeup for that.